Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani. Right now I am in Hong Kong with the particular exhibition called Hong Kong International Jewellery Show. With me from Asian Star Company, Mr. Mehul Modle and Mr. Akash Talesara. Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm very fine. How are you?
Fine, sir. First of all, Asian Star is engaging with the diamond manufacturing and the jewellery manufacturing both.
Both.
First of all, Mehul, I want to ask you that what exactly the establishment year of this company and in which kind of the product category you are dealing in?
See, we are Asian Star is established since 1971.
Okay.
And we deal in from high-end jewelry to the price point jewelry. It's like we cover up all the sectors in the jewelry line.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
So it is more than 50 years, I think.
Yeah,
the company
it's a
has
huge,
been established.
yeah.
Can you tell me about the base of the company, from where you sourcing your diamonds or manufacturing your diamonds?
See, our base is basically we are site holders of most of the mines.
Yeah.
So sourcing and all this stuff is
Coming from Mumbai?
yeah.
Mumbai? In the Mumbai you have the manufacturing unit, I think.
Yeah, Mumbai and Surat we have
Surat.
a factory. Yeah.
Okay. Mumbai and Surat, they have the manufacturing unit and also jewellery manufacturing, I think, in Mumbai.
In Mumbai we have in Surat and we have in Hosur.
In Seebs also?
In Seebs also, in Seebs,
Okay.
Mumbai
So
Seebs.
in the Seebs, you are manufacturing the products, you are importing into the Hong Kong, and from here you are spreading all over the world. So Mr. Akash, I want to ask you that our jewellery manufacturing will happen where, and from this which channels we are sending across the world?
So we have a jewelry manufacturing setup in Seebs and outside Seebs.
Seebs in Mumbai.
Seebs in Mumbai. So we are into the export promotion zone. So we have multiple factories over there.
Yeah.
And outside Seebs also we have one unit which is manufacturing, and even Hosur we have a factory, and even Surat. So we have multiple channels and multiple factories to manufacture our jewelry. So we do the manufacturing based on the quality and the requirement of the customer. So based on that we decide. Obviously if it's an export customer, then it has to happen from within the Seebs.
Absolutely.
So we are serving to multiple parts of the world, including USA, Australia. We are doing it for Middle East, Europe. Even we are very big with the Indian domestic market as well.
Absolutely.
So including all our total factories, we are able to serve most of them.
So what I understand is that our own diamond manufacturing factory is there in Surat and Mumbai. We have own jewellery manufacturing in Seebs only. We are exporting through the Seebs also, and we are also covering the local market in India.
Yes.
So all over you are selling diamonds and jewellery, both the categories, all over the world and India itself. Yeah?
Exactly.
Mr. Akash, can you tell me about your expertise in the product category, specifically in jewellery? Like in which kind of the jewellery you are master and Asian Star is known by?
Right. So we are basically a diamond focused manufacturer.
Yeah.
Our main focus is always diamond, but we are specialized into lightweight jewelry. We are also doing color stones as a combination.
I'm seeing over here that this is what something masterclass things, because we cannot identify specifically this kind of the jewellery all over.
Yes,
So,
and also if you see, we are also infusing a lot of technology.
Yeah.
The technology including ceramic. Like ceramic is one thing which was used into other industries, but now we have started using into jewelry. So
Absolutely.
Originally people were using enamel, but now we use ceramic, which is much more durable.
So it is actual ceramic.
Yeah. So if you see that particular ring around there, and all this is all ceramic. It's not enamel.
Okay. So it's a different thing actually. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Because when I came across with your stall, no, I have identified this product as a very niche product. Like we haven't seen kind of the products anywhere. Like enamel is okay, we can identify.
Enamel
but you say
everyone
that
does.
right now this is ceramic, so it's a very different thing.
Yeah.
But obvious, I am seeing that in your hand also some kind of the different jewelry. As you said that already you are making the diamond jewelry mainly, and your focus area is also the diamond jewelry.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
And,
So here the interesting thing about it is, if you see the center cluster which is set, it's a machine cut plate on which it's set. So it makes it sparkle more. It is much more unique, and it is much more crisp because it's cut from machine.
Absolutely.
And all the setting of this is done under the microscope.
Yeah, all the setting is done under the microscope, so that we get the finish, we get the shine, we give worth to the diamond. So
Absolutely. So the shining and the stone setting is very perfect and very crisp.
It is
we can say.
aligned. It is very much aligned so that
Absolutely.
it to make the entire cluster.
And that's what the requirement of the buyer actually.
Yeah, exactly.
When
I
I'm
mean,
talking
they
about-
want to take a product which, whatever diamond quality you wear, it shines brighter than that quality.
Absolutely. So setting must be a perfect.
Yes,
Then
yes.
the brightness of the diamond came out of this particular
Yeah,
product. no?
yes, yes.
But obvious we are saying that Asian Star company is manufacturing a specifically diamond studded jewelry and they are master in that case. Recently we have seen that they have manufactured the kind of the products where they have used the ceramic inside the products. Last but not least question, Akash, I want to ask you. In this particular exhibition, Hong Kong International Exhibition, since how many years you are participating and how's your experience about the international clients came over here and you have found the new markets from this particular exhibition?
Yeah, so we've been exhibiting approximately for 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah, 15
Oh.
years in the Hong Kong exhibition, and right from September to March, we exhibit in all the shows. And the interesting part is, we get a lot of Asian clients, and our existing clients also come here for trends.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
so when they come over here, then they look at our line, and always they also see some newness. And since we come from a design background, for us also, so much to learn from the Hong Kong show.
Absolutely, absolutely.
You know,
Because
we
all over the world, people are coming here and they are
Yeah.
presenting their products.
Yeah.
So when you roaming around the show,
Yeah.
you'll find out the new designs and etc. New ideas. Absolutely.
Yes, so if even we expose our design team, we have more than 8 to 10 designers who are actually come with us to look at the trends, to understand and to prepare for the next season.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's what the perfect thing Akash said, that when you are particularly visiting this kind of the show, you will find out that what exactly the world is manufacturing, what we can identify from them, what we can do as a fusion product. Because we are seeing many products over there, so you can get the idea that we can mix this kind of the product and we can manufacturing kind of the products. So, but obvious, I think international exhibitions are very important. And when I'm talking about the Hong Kong exhibition, obviously it is the world's largest. So you'll find out almost all kind of the designs over here, mostly Far East region. Where the clients are there, where the new manufacturers are there, we can say old and established manufacturers from Bangkok, and we can say Thailand, from Vietnam, Turkey, then Italy and etc. So but obvious, I think the great exposure we can identify over here, and from that we can learn, we can educate ourselves to go with the new designs and etc. Obviously. Particularly what I am seeing over here is that you people are master in jewelry and diamonds. So I don't want to say anything else, but I'm just wishing my best of luck to you for your future endeavors, and definitely you shine yourself and shine India all over the world. That's what we pray. Thank you so much, Mr. Akash and Mr. Mehul, for your detailed interview. And definitely in future, whenever our entrepreneurs want any kind of the help from you, then I'm hoping that you will definitely connect them and then give your ideas to them.
Surely.
Thank you once again, dear. Thank you, pleasure.
Amit, Mulani and team, India's best export-import business trainers.